requested to see more of this fella. Where were you last time? He was missing a toothache.
You know the vlog will be boring without me. You know what I get my life for?
Not
You know what I get my life for?
Not really.
You know it was everybody asked to me. Nobody asked to nobody else.
Anyways.
Big up to Kavita. I'm meeting in Sam around here. No, I won't call them up.
Yeah, so guys, we got mommy again. Something sambal. Today is Daddy's birthday, and we are doing what we love doing, which is celebrating life. Celebrating life and spending quality time with family. That's what we love to do.
Fantastic Friday, guys.
Oh yes, it's Fantastic Friday. Today we're in the carnival season. Look for me again.
That's what you're watching. Let me stay now.
So yeah, and to the very few people who are fine being a bit disrespectful and talking about me having an accent, you all don't know me by now, but I am a very fun-loving person. I like to talk in such a wireless, and with that wireless comes some weird languages, you know, like for instance, you all want me to talk like, so we by my mother today. Today's my father's birthday, and we're going to celebrate his birthday today. No, I speak properly, okay? So if you hear there's an accent, that is your problem, not mine. Check yourself. So Daddy cooking his famous duck, or you probably fed up here this right now, but yes, Daddy cooking the duck. Let me see how it looks.
Yes, I try them.
Oh, it has to dry down. Sorry, is my accent disturbing you guys? Exactly, roll up. Oh. Ready? Do a taste test. Anissa going to do the taste test?
You must taste it. You see, and Dave tastes the sauce. You take it, say you wrong there.
Sauce is different from the meat,
Eh? Do it.
Tell she not to know. I remember the pretty puppy that Sarah got for Christmas. Let me show you. Oh, don't laugh at my child, eh? I'm gonna give you a story why he looking like this. Ah! All his hair dropped out because mommy bathed this child with ivory shampoo. And all he had trouble. We still love him though, we still love him. It will grow back, right? It will grow back. So alright, I was joking about before, right? I was joking about before with the accent. I was just being silly and whatnot. But like seriously guys, today is Fantastic Friday. Tell them what is Fantastic Friday in Trinidad and Tobago.
Fantastic Friday is technically the best calendar Friday in Trinidad history. It is the most party vibes of this whole weekend till next week Wednesday. Till Ash Wednesday.
What's up, guys?
Alright, so
Carnival weekend.
it's Fantastic Friday. Today's Daddy's birthday. Tomorrow we are going to Ultimate One in Valstein. That's Saturday. Sunday we're relaxing because Monday we are playing Juve. Monday we are playing Juve with what?
I candy. And then looking weird out there, I drink a Sanjari cup because I stopped drinking beer. That's my
So guys, this weekend we're gonna get cracker-lacking. I know you hear that in a long time. Guys,
Stay tuned.
we're gonna get
Stay
what?
tuned.
Cracker-lacking. So we're gonna get cracker-lacking.
Crump.
Bloated. Anissa, the accent. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Why are they so stiff?
I'm bloated.
Peachy Bear. Say hi, Peachy Bear. Oh, he's a gangster. Bad man don't talk. Bad man don't smile. Bad man don't blush. He's sweeter. He's so cute.
I find he is like a pretty version of Vin Diesel. Okay, no. Okay, well, Vin Diesel.
Alright, we doing this? Okay, let me get the easier one. Ladies, tell me the truth. He looks like a chubbier version of Kes.
That's true.
We'll drink no more.
So you is, where's that chubby Kes? Best? A big Kes?
Big kiss.
A big Kes, best. I don't
Picture with her.
A chubby guest. So the music in the background is by yours truly,
That's only
DJ Ran Proud.
because for my father-in-law, and I like this kind of music, that's why I play that for them.
We like this kind of music.
Yeah, I love it. I don't care. I grew up hearing this. I do not care what the rara. I'll play that for them.
Actually, we like the rara, but
I like
tonight
this
it's not
more.
about us.
It's about them. It's making
about
church
them.
them more. You don't know
So
that.
whatever
wouldn't
they
know that.
like, that's what we want to play,
We only
right?
have limited time here with them, you know. No, you're here looking.
Every time she sit down, I still put shit.
Yeah, but she doing that. She's still in front of the camera, you know. But here looking good, but brushing her baggy bangs.
Dave, tell us a joke.
Alright. Oh. For a spin, have a store, right? And they lay away, they lay away people, right? And they go people. And who was the first two people that let go? Two mannequins. You asked for one. You asked for one.
Really? Alright, who's up for the next joke? So I have a joke for everybody, right? Okay, so I had this guy going and shooting ducks in a pond, right? So he went to shoot the duck on it, so he had a partner. So then the owner now come out with a big gun. So he partner said, duck. He said, where did they shoot? Selfie session. Look at my ladies. Say hi. Say hi to me. Hi. Sarah, introduce your friends. They are dance partners ever since they were how old? 6. And they are now 16. Okay, next. Hi, Lily.
I know she's 5.
Also another dance partner.
14.
And next, we have Miss Model Dana,
I know she's
also from dance.
9. I know she's 19. I'll be 19.
James, you'll be 19? Wow. Gary, really? Hello. You know, he has been all the videos. Check my ladies now. Check my ladies now. Mommy, introduce your friends. Hi, everybody, this is my bestie. Oh my gosh! She said it. She have more than one. My next bestie, Marsha. Share our besties. And look. So this is like, this is mommy's clique. Yes. Big up for yourself. Woman power. They're pretty, eh? They're real pretty. What are you doing here? And Daddy Pussy over here. Daddy, introduce your friends. Famous Daddy. As you all know, he riding solo today. Patty, we missing you, girl. We missing you. We missing you. Say, Pat, I miss you. Come on, come on this side, this side. This side! Not this side! Are you having fun? Are you having fun? I look like I'm having fun. Yes. I don't sound like I'm was you and Alma.
I don't have. I thought I had. No, I have. No, wait, I have.
She have.
Sparkling colors.
Yay! We found
So
some.
why I never used to get because I was scared to get blow up in your face. I love you too much to blow up your face. I love you.
Also, we can blow up Daddy's face. Right. Okay, so guys, it's time to stick the cake.
I'm a strange lady, she made me nervous.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy.
No, yo me como no estaría.
Watch your teeth, watch your teeth. Like everybody around trying to sell. So guys, we here just chilling.
Nobody will miss me. I'm here. Nobody will miss me. They do.
So we just chilling, observing what we gonna look like in 20 years. Kinda scary though. Kinda scary though.
Fantastic Friday, guys. Hello. This is how we do it.
Daddy's birthday. What's the time? Oh my god. Guys, so it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. We did not really plan to stay so long, but the lime ended up going really nice and whatnot. So we're gonna close this off tonight. It was fun. It was nice. Let me see what these guys are up to. Stuff in his face. Stuff in his face. What the plate? Plate empty. Sickener. We have a fun-filled weekend. We have a very hectic weekend.
Hectic day tomorrow.
Okay, so I'm chill with pepper. Cannot eat food without pepper. Well, I'm speaking for myself. Could you eat without pepper?
Never.
Exactly. So guys, it was a wonderful night. Daddy had a blast, as you all saw. Let me introduce. Not introduce. Let me show you this little lady here. You look fine in every single video she's seen this, and I still put you up. What are you eating there? Nuts. From?
Pepper
Nuts from? Jumbo
Lovely.
spicy peanuts from Sunshine Snacks.
Singing that song.
Alright, So we're gonna close off this video. Daddy's birthday party was a success. Not birthday party, but you know we like to celebrate life. I like to celebrate life. I like to enjoy family time, whatnot. I wanna say thank you so very much. First of all to God for me having to spend my father's 63rd birthday with me. It's truly amazing. I know there's so many people out there who do not have that privilege, and I do. So I feel very honored. I feel very special, and I hope that he gets to spend 63 more years with me. I mean, we could only hope, right? But we like to appreciate each and every single moment. Mommy, oh my God, I guess so sentimental. I forget he was even there. Teardrop. But like seriously, back to the accent, guys. I do not speak with an accent. I try my very best to speak proper. So with that being said, whatever, we're gonna close off the video tonight. Tomorrow is Ultimate 1, guys. We have coochie coochie.
You can check us on the avenue.
It's not all right. It's not
It's
original. It's not shit.
Yes, so we're gonna close it off now. Tell everybody good night.
Have a good night, guys.
It was nice.
And enjoyable carnival. Don't know.
Boom. Say it. Boom.
Boom.
I'm crack-a-lacking. He's boom. So we'll see you guys in our next video. Give me a kissy for me.
It's original.